In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can customize your toolbar in Adobe Acrobat. So when you have Adobe Acrobat open, you have your quick action toolbar always at the left here, and you have these three dots, which if you click it, you can customize that toolbar. Now this opens a new menu and you can choose several things, create something you often use. So for example, edit a PDF. And then here you can choose what you often use. If you click it and then you click this plus sign, you will add it to the toolbar. And you can also say that you want to have a divider line. So if I click this, it will add a divider line beneath the last tool added in this toolbar. And then you can add several like that. You can also add from several options here. So maybe you want this insert, you can add it also, and that's where you can easily divide them with a divider line. If you want to delete something, just select it and click this trash can, and then let's say we add a divider line here, and then we insert this one here, and then that one there, and then we add a divider line, and we go to create a web form, and we add that one also. So this is how you can easily customize your toolbar, and then click save. And as you can see, now all the things we added into that toolbar are available here. So everything you use on a daily basis or you use frequently, you can add in this toolbar. If you want to reset it, you can now click these three dots and then choose reset toolbar, and then it will ask you if you want to have the original settings. You click OK, and now your toolbar has been reset. So that's how you can easily customize your quick action toolbar in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.